Jared, I've been asking you about a solution for this issue that's been a little bit ongoing for somebody who wants to go in the aftermarket but not be louder than stock, having a little bit difference. And I see stainless steel here.
Yeah.
So what is this exactly?
Okay, so to tell you a little bit of detail of this. So this is a 304 stainless muffler. To kind of dive into the offering we have for it. So this will fit 15 to 17 XP1000 non-turbo models. Also fits the 16 to 19 turbo model, and as well as 18 to 19 XP1000 and RZR RS-1. To key in some of it again, this actually fits behind your stock shroud. It's full 304 stainless, has a nice tone to it over stock, but not anything crazy loud. You know, I know that's a huge concern for you guys in Quebec, and I think we've addressed it with this, having a nice sleek exhaust. Lastly, I want to point out too, you'll notice actually in the outlet pipe, this is where your stock spark arrestor fits too. So again, it keeps the same OEM look. So again, essentially a great exhaust for you, and you get this for about $550 at MSRP.